Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you are safe at home. Okay, let's start the chapter 2 polynomials. From NCERT book, exercise 2.4, question number 5 is factorize. This factorization, you have to do the factorization by remainder theorem. Remainder theorem, meaning that you have to put the value of x as x equal to 1 or x equal to minus 1, x equal to 2, x equal to minus 2, x equal to 3 or x equal to minus 3, and successively. The value of x at which this polynomial becomes 0, that will be the factor of this polynomial. Therefore, I am putting x equal to 1. Replace x by 1. 1 cube minus 2. 2x square means 2 into x square. Then 2 into, there is multiplication sign. This is hidden sign. The sign is hidden. This sign is multiplication sign. 2 into x means 1 square, minus x means 1 plus 2. 1 cube means 1 into 1 into 1. 1 is multiplied so many times, the result will be same as 1. Therefore, result will be 1. Minus 2 into 1 square is 1. 2 into 1 means 2. Minus 1 plus 2. Here 1 is positive, 2 is positive. Before 1, there is positive sign. Then positive numbers are added with positive sign. Plus 1 plus 2 means plus 3. Plus sign is not written. Minus 2 and minus 1, it will be added with minus sign. Sign will be negative, but it will be added. 2 and 1 means 3. The result is 0. Meaning that x minus 1 is a factor of polynomial. X minus 1 is a factor of polynomial. X equal to 1 means x, here 1 will come in this side, here it will become minus 1 equals 0. Therefore, x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. Now, I have found one factor as x minus 1 of this polynomial. There are 3 factors because the power of x is 3. Therefore, there are 3 factors. I have found one factor. Now we have to find 2 factors more. For finding 2 factors more, what will we do? For finding 2 more factors, what will you do? For this, you will divide by x minus 1. X minus 1 divide this number, x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Divide here x cube multiplied by x square multiplied to x cube minus x square will also be multiplied to minus 1. Minus 1 into x square minus x square. Sign will be changed. This is plus sign, there will be negative. This is minus sign, this will be positive. The procedure of division I am going to explain. Let us suppose I am dividing by 3 to 16. It will go 5 times, 3 5 are 15. Then we subtract it directly as 1. We don't write as minus 1. But it should write minus. There should be minus. This number would be subtracted. This is not done by any student. This should be done. This should be minus. Therefore, for in division process, subtraction is done. Therefore, there will be minus. Therefore, sign will be changed. Minus sign, minus plus. This is cancelled. This is minus 2x square plus x square. Minus 2 plus minus is greater, minus 2 is greater, there will be minus sign, greater number sign, greater we will put the greater number sign minus x square. Now I will write minus x. This minus sign will shift here. This minus sign will shift here. Again by x. X will be multiplied to x minus x square. Minus x will be multiplied to minus 1 plus x. Minus will be multiplied to minus multiplication plus, and x into 1 means x. Now sign will be changed. Minus will change to plus, plus will change to minus. This is cancelled. Minus x minus 2x. Now plus 2 will be written down. Now minus 2. This minus sign will shift here. Now minus 2. Multiply with minus 2. Minus 2 into x minus 2x. Minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2. Change the sign. This minus will change plus. This plus will change minus. Both are cancelled. Now after division I have found this number, this polynomial x square minus x minus 2. Now you have to do its factorization. X square minus x minus 2. You have to factorize. How will you factorize? X square minus x. 1. Coefficient of x is 1. 1 will be broken into 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. Therefore, we can write as 2x. This minus, there is negative sign before it. Minus sign change to minus, plus x, and this minus 2. Make the group of it. X is common because the smallest power of x is 1. Smallest power x will be common. After common, divide by it. X divide x square x time, minus x will divide x 2 times. Bracket closed. Now the second group will start plus sign. There is no common. I will take 1 as common. X minus 2, x minus 2, x plus 1. Now I have found 2 more factors. Now after combining these 2 factors and this x minus 1 factor will be the factorization of the complete polynomial. The polynomial can be written as x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2 equal to, first factor is x minus 1. This second factor x minus 2. Third factor x plus 1. Now the factorization is complete.